Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 3. That's a beautiful poem with title, It's Sports Day. Today is lecture 3 under the pronunciation skills. We'll learn about rhyming words, page number 22 of your book. Before this, in your previous class, English for grade 1, I have taught you a poem and I have taught you about rhyming words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. Today, we'll learn further. In Unit 2, I have also taught you about beginning sounds of the word and ending sounds of the word. Remember? So today, we'll merge these two concepts and we'll learn further to recognize that as letters of word change, so do the sound. And we'll also identify words that end with the same sound, for example, NG. These are our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah Ibrahim, verse 24. Allah says, "Have you not considered how Allah presents an example to mankind, a good word like a good tree, whose root is firmly fixed and its branches high in the sky." Yes, my dear children, it's beautiful words. How beautifully Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is comparing a good word with a good tree. And you know what I was thinking? Like a tree has its branches, a word has different letters. And the branches makes a tree beautiful, likewise letters make a word beautiful. And every letter has a different role in a word. This is what we learned today. We have learnt about the final sound. Final sound is the last or ending sound that you can hear when you say any word. Let's see, does a word change if we change last letter? Means the rest of the word is same. We are just going to change last letter. So let's see, does a word change? The first two letters, C-A, C-A, C-A. If we put last letter T, P, it's cap. If we put T, it's cat. And if we put R, it's car. So you see, we just changed the last letter and there was a new word. The sound was changed. This is what we are focusing on. The word changed and its sound changed. Just by changing last letter, we got new words. Cap, cat, car, right? Now let's see, if we change middle letter, only middle letter, the first letter is P, last is N, P, N, P, N. Now just we are going to put a middle letter and let's see, does the word change? Does the sound change? Pan, pen, pin. So these are three new letters with new sounds just by changing middle letter. Now let's do the same test for last sound, for initial sound. Does a word change if we change the first letter? Now, A-T, A-T, A-T. We'll put first letter and see, does we get new word? Do we get new word? Sorry. Cat, bat, rat. So by putting a new letter on initial position, we get new word. And here I want to make a point, when in such type of words where we get same last sound and we just change the initial or beginning sound and they sound same, cat, bat, rat, they are called rhyming words. When we get same final sound, the last sound is same, they are rhyming words. Let's see what your book says about it. On page number 22, it's mentioned. Rhyming words sound alike. Sound alike. It's important. They sound alike. They are made by changing the beginning or initial sound of a word. So when we change beginning sound and last sound is same and the word sounds same, they are called rhyming words. There is an example further. You see ng. Now these three things are there and their final sound is ng. So what we make? King, ring, spring. Look at this slide carefully. Here we have 4 letters. Again here we have 4 letters. Here we have 6 letters. But all these words, when we say king, ring, spring, maybe many more, when they sound same. So rhyming word means they sound same. It is not necessary they have same number of letters, but they should sound same. Alright? We learn further about the same concept by singing this beautiful poem. Do you remember? You all have sung this poem. What it is? Let's sing it. First we'll sing, then we'll find what we are going to do. Sing with me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Wow, it's beautiful to sing this poem every time. Now what we are going to do today, look at the last word of every sentence. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now these 2 words, though they look different, their spellings are different, but they are rhyming words because they sound same. Likewise, high and sky. You see, the spellings are totally different, but they sound same. That's why they are called rhyming words. Now, do you get the idea what does rhyming word mean and how do we use them? Memorize this idea, because when you will be promoted to grade 3, I'll give you an assignment. So whatever you learn, you should remember it, and whenever it's time for practice, you should recall it. Right, my dear children? Are you clear with the rhyming words concept? Because we are going to practice it. Open your book on page number 22. And what activity is given? Under the title of pronunciation skills, rhyming word, make rhyming words by looking at the pictures. The first one has been done for you. Look at the picture. It's cake and it's lake. Now see, cake and lake. They are rhyming words. Now for every pair of pictures, you will say the word and look at the picture, say the word, write its name on the space given. In this way, you will get all the rhyming words for all these pictures. Now pause the video and enjoy this activity. Before you go, I want to make an announcement for my fellow teachers. Along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, it's time for practice. Pause the video, enjoy the activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, I hope you enjoyed doing it. Now, I'm going to give you a homework. You have to write 5 words that rhyme with king. You have to write it in your notebook. And I'm giving you an additional worksheet. Again, my dear fellow teachers, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and this worksheet link is given. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. And my dear students, what you are supposed to do? Which word can rhyme together? Circle and connect them, drawing cursive line. You will circle the rhyming words, you will color them and then you will match them with a cursive line. I hope you will enjoy doing this worksheet. And that's it, what we have learned today. We learned that as the letters of words change, so do the sound. We practiced the concept with initial, middle and final sound, and we learned that the word which end with the same sound are rhyming words. The example is king, ring, spring, right? So in this way we achieved our today's SLOs, which is to recognize that as the letters of words change, so do the sound. Identify words that end with the same sound, ng. Are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.